Hey, I'm here with Rick with the GPC case. I wanted to show you all this new case that they have coming out, and it's really awesome for public safety. I know a lot of guys have been looking to, you know, they got to outfit their car, their SUV or whatever. So this is kind of a ready-made, ready-to-go type of setup that you just bolt into your SUV or your pickup truck. So they put the right here. They put for the M210, you can have your gimbals on. You see the gear on, and because it's in the center, you can have your props on, so that'll actually save more time. So Rick, what else do we have in this setup here? We got it for the cameras.
Yeah, so we've got camera in here with the lens. We've got extra cameras. We've got the crystal skies. We've got crystal sky batteries, additional camera cavities here, prop storage over here, which in the long run will have a higher wall to hold them in there. And then we've got the smart control. Not smart controller. We've got the Sendence controller back here, and you can also have the additional antenna on it. And then you've got your battery cavities. As usual, you can have TB50s or 55s in here. And then we've got the charging hub, and we're going to have the power supply off the side, so you can actually charge in here if you've got power in your vehicle. Okay. So that takes care of that drawer.
And as they say out there, and that's not it. And there's more. So in public safety, I know a lot of the agencies now are going to a you basically have a fleet in there for the rapid deployment first ons. So down here, you have your M210 up here. And down here, you could even have a set of Mavics and everything else. So what else do we have here? We've got
so we've got two Mavics that go in here with smart controllers, and then all of the accessories that actually come with the Enterprise series. And then you've got a bank of batteries, the chargers for the batteries, as far as the actual hubs, and then the power supplies are going to be over here, which will get some ventilation so we can actually charge batteries in this situation while we're on the road.
And just like I always hear everybody needs, that you even have this open area here for your electrician's tape, your zip ties, pretty much everything else that you might want to put in there. And so this whole system then, it actually bolts down into your vehicle then, right?
Correct.
Okay.
It's we've got tie downs in the back, so you can use straps or turnbuckles or whatever you need, or we can actually set it up, which we are doing for a customer right now, where you actually bolt this in through the bottom of the case.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing, and
thank you.
Again, this is kind of your turnkey, ready to go, all-in-one solution. This is new from the guys at GPC. All right, thanks, Rick.
Great, thank you.